consultant, no? Correct or not? Cardiac consultant. Now, cardiac consultant should listen to the patient or not? Patient is telling, I have this pain, this pain, this pain. You give him some other medicine, no? No, right? So you have to listen to the system, what it is saying. System is like a person. It is telling something, error, error, I have a problem, error, error. Please listen to me. It is saying like this. Then listen to it, no? Read the error one time, two time, three time. Put it on Google. Now you reach to a level where you have to solve it yourself. Put it on Google. Try to analyze the issue, understand the error, solve the error. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
So I don't want to make you dependent. See, dependent ABCD spoon feeding I can do now also. I can arrange the notes, step 1, step 2. Spoon feeding we can do. But spoon feeding you cannot do lifelong. No? Tomorrow in the company, will there be anybody there? No, no. You have to become independent. Kada? That's why this struggle is there. You have to become independent. Yeah? Good.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Right. Right now, let's go to COPA. Step number KEBD completed, no? Okay, step number 3 we have to go. So go to step number 3. Just 1 minute. Then define profitability segment characteristics. Okay, right on. Define profitability segment characteristics. That is KEQ3. KEQ3. Go to KEQ3 /n KEQ3. Okay, so then here, these are the areas where you want to do COPA. Okay, profitability segments where you want to do the COPA. Okay, here some things are there, you see. I want to do costing based or costing based and account based. What I want, I don't want to use. This is not used. Correct. But for certain things, here you see company code. It is shaded. I cannot say I don't want to use. No? See, for product I can say I don't want to use. For customer I can say I don't want to use. Correct? Or I can say I want to use. Correct? But for company code I cannot say no, I don't want to use. See why?
It's already.
It is there. It is there. Na? It will come. Even if you don't want also, it will come. Na? P&L.
Yes.
Business area also same. You cannot say. Correct? So some things by default they are here on. You see this one. Controlling area. It's there. Profit center. It's there. You will get it P&L directly. So for company code I will get, business area I will get, controlling area I will get, profit center I will get. So these are all built in. Na? Correct or not? So for these things, these things it is by default you will get. Even if you don't want also you will get. Understand? Yeah. So for other areas, see it is saying I cannot select. Got it? Yeah. Now what I am saying, I am ticking like this. Okay. So customer product wise you want, guys? You want to see product wise? Product means material, finished goods. Customer wise you want?
Yes.
Yes, tick this. Then next you want what is the options we have? Employee wise you want? You can tick. Then division wise you want? Division wise? Yes, you can take. Sales organization wise you can take. Distribution channel wise you can take. Plant wise you can take. You can take whatever you understand? So these are the options that are available for you. So you can see billing type wise, you can see sales order wise, you can see partner, WBS wise, you can see order wise, you can see. There are other options here. Is it clear? I have selected the main ones, right? What I selected, these are all sales side. Yeah, these are all SD side. That's why I did not take them. Now, here. Clear? So I selected what I selected, guys. I selected for product, customer, employee. I selected distribution channel, division, and all that. Yeah. Okay. Save it. Good. So what is my request now? We are in COPA. Yeah. Selected. That was my step number 3. Now step number 4. Step number 4 is controlling area assign controlling area to operating concern. Operating concern, that is your KEKK. Note on KEKK. Go to KEKK. So this I will save first. Then you go to KEKK. Okay, what is your controlling area?
AJ,
ZAPL. Na? Yeah. What is my operating concern? That is also ZAPL. Correct? Link it. Save. Next. Step number 5. Step number 5 is define number range. Define number range. Define number range for actual postings in profitability analysis. Okay. That is your KEN1. KEN1. Okay. So go to KEN1 /N KEN1. Go. Okay. Give the operating concern, that is your ZAPL. Change groups. Yeah. Change. Okay. Then you know now how to give number range, right? Select the group. Interval. Maintain. Correct? Same. So it is already coming. Number range is already there. No need to maintain. If it is already coming, no need to maintain. By default, it is getting created. So don't worry. If it is not created, then you create. You select like this. You go to interval, maintain. Got it? Good. Next. So here, insert interval, maintain. If it is not there, you maintain. Otherwise, if it is already there, not required. Next. Step number 6. Step number 6 is assign SD conditions. Assign SD conditions to COPA value fields. COPA value fields. Okay. Yeah. So what is it? This is my T code KE4I. KE4I. Assign SD conditions to COPA value fields. KE4I. So we have like this. We have PR00 SD condition selling price. Remember PR00? That is SD, na? Correct. So that I link to COPA revenue 40440 VV010. Then I have one more, that is a VPRS condition. That also I will link to my cost price. It is VV140. So assign SD pricing conditions to SD conditions, SD pricing conditions to COPA value field. These are in COPA, these are in SD. So I'm connecting SD to COPA. Okay, note. So why I am connecting? To take the data from SD to COPA. Okay. Okay, so we go like this. So go to slash NKE4I, you go. New entries. Condition type I give PR00. What is the value field? I am giving VV010. Then what is the other one? VPRS condition. What is the value field? VV014. Okay, so the cost price is going to VV010. Cost is going to VV140. Yeah, that's it. So here KE4I you have this like this. Right, so this is assign ST conditions to COPA value fields. Okay, this part is over. Connection is given. Next one, step number 7. Step number 7 is maintain PA transfer structure. Maintain PA transfer structure to direct postings for direct postings in FI from FI. Yeah, not KEI2. KEI2. Maintain PA transfer structure for direct postings from FI. So go to KEI2. Go like this slash and KEI2. You go. Okay, here we have like this now financial accounting to COPA. Select this. So we are taking the data from financial accounting to COPA. Select this. Click on assignment lines. Click on assignment lines. Click on assignment lines. Select this, click on assignment lines. Then you select first one, revenues. No? Okay, you can take revenues or you can take costs. Okay, first I will take costs. So cost from FI to COPA. How you will take the cost from FI to COPA. So select this, click on the source. Select this, click on the source. Select this, click on the source. From number I am giving. I am giving from number. What is the expenditure cost elements? 4 lakh to 499. All the cost elements I am taking. So whatever expenditure posted to all these cost elements, they will go to COPA. Then you click on the value fields. Okay, new entries. Which value field I want now? I want value field. Which value field? Is it option number fixed or variable? Select 3. Sum of fixed and variable. Option 3. Then value field. What is a value field? So this is the cost now. It will go to cost, right? Yeah. This is the connection. So cost you will connect it to cost. Okay. Save it. So cost connection is over. Second part, revenues I have to connect. Na? So you go like this. Go back. Select the revenues here. Select this. Revenues you select. Click on the source. From where it will come. Revenues what cost element guys? 3 lakh. Correct. 3 lakh to 3 9. You give like this. Then you select value fields. What value fields will come? New entries. What is the quantity? Value field. Value field. Again you say both it can be fixed and variable. What is the value field? Revenue?
VV1.
0 1 0. Yeah. So revenues connected to revenues. Expenses connected to expenses. Cost to cost. Revenue to revenue. Okay. Save it. That is my step number 7. Next, step number 8. Step number 8 is activate profitability analysis. Activate profitability. Activate profitability analysis. Okay, KE. Activate profitability analysis KE. You activate it. Go to KE. Slash and KE you go. You activate it. What is your controlling area? ZAPL. Na? So what is it? Activity status. You select number 4. Active for both types of profitability analysis. Number 4. Okay. Save it. Present. That is over. Step number 8 is completed. Next, I have activated it. Now 9. 9 is what we need to add GBB VAY. Correct? Account assignment we have to do. Okay. Assign. Write down like this. Assign. Increase bar decrease in FG account in T code. In T code OBYC. You know OBYC na? Yeah, OBYC for transaction for GBB and VAY. Okay. Right. So previously we assigned OBYC. We assigned VAX. We assigned na? VAX we assigned. We assigned for GBB VAX. This will work. This is work without COPA. But when you want to add COPA, you need to do VAY. Right? So the data will stop. VAX means it will not go to COPA. If you want to COPA, then you have to give VAY. Okay? So that's why we are doing VAY also. Correct? So if you are not doing VAY, you will get error. COPA error you will get. VAY not there, it will say. So that's why without COPA, up to without COPA, it's fine. But with COPA, you need to do this. Okay? Right. So let's go. Go to, OBYC, na? OBYC. Position, what is it? GBB, right? Offsetting, right? Okay, GBB. My chart of account is Zaka. Then you go 001. Then I am giving my, what is the one?
VAY.
VAY. Same, whatever is there for VX, I will give the same. ZAFG. And what is the number? 3 lakh?
Got it.
40. Okay, note down. Note down. Okay, save it. Now done. That was it. Okay, so we are going to step number 9 is over. Okay, next. VX, VAY, same numbers. Next. Then we have something called, we call it as a report painter. Okay, report painter we call it. Okay, this is used to generate, no, to define reports in COPA. Okay. Right. So without the use of the ABAPer, whatever reports are required by the client, you can define yourself. Okay. This is a very good feature. So now step number 1, define forms for profitability reports. Okay, no doubt. That is your KE34. No doubt. Define forms for profitability reports. So go now. Go to KE34 /n KE34 go. What is your form? ZAPL profitability analysis form. This is my ZAPL profitability analysis form. Okay, then you select 2 axis, create. Operating concern currency only, leave it like that, enter. Now here you are generating one report, na? See rows, x axis, y axis. Rows, columns, na? Rows.
Sir, once go back, sir.
You go to KE34, give the form name, give the
This
select 2 axis, click on create. Press enter, you will get it. Okay, now row 1, double click on row 1. Double click on row 1. Row 1 double click. Select value field with characteristics. Select value field with characteristics. Press enter. Press enter. Then here what you want, no? Value field with characteristics. So you want this one, no? You select like this. Revenue. You select. Okay. Okay. Check and confirm. Okay. So revenue will come here. Second one, row. Row 2. Again, select value field with characteristics. Press enter. Second option you select. Cost of goods sold. No? Select. Check. Confirm. Yeah. Good. So revenue I got. Cost of goods sold I got. Next. Row 3. Row 3. It's a formula. Select the formula. Select row 3 is a formula. Select the formula. Sorry. Row 2 also value field only. Row 3, I mean row 3 now. Yeah. Row 3. This is formula. Press enter. What is my formula now? Y1. What is Y001? Y001 is what? Revenue. Y002 is what? Cost. So what is my formula? Third row formula Y1. Revenue minus Y2. So what I will get? Revenue minus cost. What I will get, guys? Revenue minus cost.
Profit or loss.
Profit. No? Press enter. So it will ask what is the name you are giving. I am giving some name, net profit or profit, whatever. Yeah. I'll give like this, profit. Is that clear? This is the one. Okay. Yeah. COP. Understand? So first one is a value field. Second one is a value field. Third one is a formula. How I am giving the formula? Y1 minus Y2 I said, and I gave the name. Na? That's it. Okay. Press enter. Next. Now, next one, column. What I want to give? Column. Yeah. So double click on the column. Select characteristic. Select characteristic. What you want to give? Select the characteristic.
Click.
Yeah, you double click on the column.
Okay.
Select the characteristic. Press enter. Then here what you want? You want plan or actual? Right. So you want plan and actual. Yeah? Bring it here. Bring it on the left side. Yeah. So plan or actual. Yeah. So here you have an option like this. You want planned data or actual data? You want actual data. Give like this. Okay. Right. Not done. Again, I will show you. You go to column 1, select the characteristic, tick like this, select plan actual indicator, bring it on the left side. Then from this, you select your actual data. Okay. That's it. Check, confirm. So your actual data will come here. Got it? Okay. Next. So I got the, yeah,
Row 4 not doing anything.
row 4 we will leave it there.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so you got it right? Okay,
Yes.
then what you do, you go to, after that you go to edit, general data selection, go to edit, general data selection, general data selection. After that, you go to general data selection. After that, you go to general data selection. Yeah. So click on general data selection. Here, what you want, what type of general data you want. Okay. Okay. So now what I want, I want like this, na, record type. I want the period, which period, which year, which period. I want to bring it on the left side. Okay. Right. So what records I will take, which year I will take, which period I will take. I want to run the reports for what? Huh? I will take. So record type means from where I will take. Okay, I will take from incoming order. Incoming order to, I will take the data from to billing data. F. So I will take all these. All these I will take. Okay. So I'm taking like this. A to F. Got it? So what type of records I will take? I will take incoming sales order to my billing data. All this data I will use for my COPA reports. Okay. Which year I will take? See, actually I can give here, I can give 2024 to 2025. I can give. Yeah. I can give from period 1 to period 12. I can give. I can give. But I want to leave this to the user. Let him enter. Every time he doesn't want to see 2 years. Understand? Let the user enter. No? Okay. I don't want to define myself. I want the user to give whatever. Suppose he wants to see the report for 2025 first period. What he will say? 2025 will enter and he will enter 2025 period 1 he will enter. Na? Let him enter. Understand? So I don't want to decide for him. I want to give him open choice for him. Correct? Let him enter whatever period he wants to enter. Let him enter. So I want to give some freedom to him. If I give only year, only that period he can see. Understand? So I want to give him freedom. So what I will give? Variable option. So I'll say variable on, local variable 1, let him give, enter. Again variable on, local variable 2, let him enter. For fiscal year, he will enter two things, from and to, he will enter. Then again variable, this is variable on and off, means user will enter. So I will take this, local variable 1, enter, local variable 2, enter. Means what? He will enter. So if I give local variables, what is the thing, guys? User will enter. Okay, you will see in future. So here I am not giving any 2025 or 24, I am not giving. No? Let the user enter whatever he wants. That is the freedom I am giving. That is what is local variable. Okay, so check and confirm. So I have given the local general data selections were done. Okay, next what I should do? Go to extras, variables, variables definition. Now user has to enter that years, no? So I should give him in a language that he can understand and give, right? So that is the defining the variables. That is defining the variables. So click on define variables. Okay, here description I am giving. So here I will enter so that user will enter, no? So I am entering like this from. Okay, from fiscal year, what you want. Okay, give enter description of the input. Okay, then from period to fiscal year. Okay, to period. So whatever I type here, it will come there. Okay, right. Okay, so if I do any mistake here, same will come in the screen also. Whatever I type here, it will come to him. Okay, suppose instead of giving a fiscal year, now this guy is writing like this, now physical year. Suppose intentionally I am giving some mistake, physical year, yeah. So it will come physical. Okay, let me show. Extend here variables, variable definition I have given, yeah, correct. You know the difference between physical and physical, right? You know,
Yes.
you know, right?
Yes, sir.
So actually user should enter fiscal year or physical year.
Physical.
So I'm a bad at English, na? So I type of physical here. Okay, right. Press enter. So now you say save it. Okay, I created the form now. Okay, ZAPL form was created. Now what is the next step? Create profitability. Step number 2. Step number 2 is create profitability reports. KE31. KE31. Report I am creating. Okay. So go to KE31 now. /n KE30 report. So you are creating one report now. So give the name ZAPL profitability analysis. So we have given the form. What we have given, guys? ZAPL we have not given. ZAP only. Okay, remember this. Otherwise it will create problem. ZAPL profitability analysis. Yeah, I have a report I am creating. PA report. This report is different. ZAPL profitability analysis report. Using which form? This form. Okay, note down. So I'm creating a report for profitability using this form. Okay. So then you click on create. Click on create the report. Click on create. Yeah. Create the report. Click on create. User is already processing form. I did not close this. Let me close this. Okay, press enter. So here I am creating the form. So what I'm creating the report. Okay, I'm creating the report. So what I want for customers, yes. Distribution channel, yes. Division, yes. Plant, product, sales organization, yes. I want all of them. Correct. So I want to run the reports for all these people. Correct. Okay. Variables. What variables we have? from fiscal. You see that mistake is carrying on. Correct? Okay. Then output type, what you want? Output type, you want a graphical report or classic drill down report or ALV report or Excel spreadsheet, what you want? Okay, if I select graphical, user will get graphical. If I select classic drill down, user will get classic drill down. Or if I select like this, available on screen means user will have a choice. User can, even though I selected here classical, user can change graphical. If I don't take this, only this option will come. If I take this, user can shift. So I want to give him the freedom, available on screen selection. Okay. Then options. Okay, fine. So output type, I have given like this, save it. Okay. Press enter. Hierarchy is not there. Press enter. Report is created. Is it clear? Right. So like that, profitability. Oh, report form is coming like this, huh? So report also we gave the name as form only, guys. Oh, KE 31. Let me see, KE 32 slash and KE 32. This report name also we gave form only. You cannot change the code now. Okay, fine, no problem. I will run the report like that only. So what is that? KE 31. You can create another also, no problem. So ZA, what is the form here? PA form. Now this is a report name, that's how it has come with report form like this. Execute. Here you see, can you see? We just develop this report. This you see, user is entering. User is confused now. What is this physical year? You created a report like this. You understand? So here he will enter what? He will enter 2025. But is it a fiscal year or physical year? This is it. You understand now? So this is the report you created wrong. You can correct it. You can go back, go to KE31, and you can go to the report, right? You can report, change, form change. So here you can go to variables, you can change output type. Okay, variables. Edit option. Okay, no, you have to change in the form only. KE 31, 34, yes. KE 34, you have to change there only, not here. Okay, form you have to go. Click on form, go to edit, and you can change the form only. So when you open the form now you have to, what is that one now? Go to extras, variables, variables definition. So if you correct now, if you change it to fiscal year, then he will see correct. Okay, save it. So when I am running the report now, I will go to KE31. I'll give the report name like this, basic form, execute. Now when I click on this, I will get correct. Right? Okay, so we'll do this tomorrow. Tomorrow you have class same time. So I will run the report. I will show you the data also. Practically, I will show you the COPA reports. Okay? Right. So we'll see that tomorrow.
Sir, for the KEA0 error, can you check it, sir, in the server side?
Yeah. Okay, you are saying, yeah, yes.
Notepad.
Sir,
Yeah.
the start of the class you told profitability segment characteristics, no? without step K Q3. There, what all the options you selected, sir, can show product.
Just one. So KEQ3. Say KEQ3, na?